Welcome to True's Trading Journal. We're going to be trading today. Go figure. Today I'm going to pick one of these trade recaps of Andrew's I haven't watched yet, and then I'm going to trade that day, and then I'm going to go back and watch it and see what he did and compare it. So the first one that I haven't watched is October 15th, so we're just going to go to that one. Um, 1:45 and 6:30. That's some PM news, I guess. I don't think we're reacting off to anything here. That was not English. It looks PO3 as well, so we'll stay out of this for now. In fact, let's just wait until 8 o'clock-ish. Yeah, we'll start right here. Self-made imbalance, we tap into it. Do we create a pointer? We're also kind of PO3. We do create a pointer. Do we have a target? We do. Do we see this on ES? We do. We also have this on ES, so we're just gonna buy for 6. Targeting this FFVG right here. Okay. I can't go down to the 1. Alright. Let's see if we created any inefficiencies. I mean, that looks like it is 1, to be honest with you. Oh, it is. 2 FFVG right here. We're gonna 4-minute. Alright, we got a 4-minute pointer. So we're just gonna close out. I think we're just in PO3. Oh shit. Hop on the 5. 5-minute pointer reacting to these FFVGs, so we would have been in right here, I think. But we're not. We're in right here. So we'll get in for 3. I don't know, we can check. We have a pointer off here too, reacting to these FFVGs. Smaller target, smaller contract size, but we smash. See if we, fuck dude, no 1 minute is brutal. See if we reject or create any low time frame inefficiencies off these FFVGs that we're going into. Okay, that doesn't look great. That looks like a pretty fat rejection off of it. I don't think it's going to be able to create a pointer though, just because it's a pretty volatile candle. So it was too quick for anything to form. Ooh, let's check ES real quick, because that could totally be something here. We are pre-market too, pre-market open. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything, so. We did, like, reject off of the FFVGs. So, oh shit. I didn't mean to get out of that trade, I meant to trim. Whoops. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, we created a pointer anyways. I don't think we're reacting off of anything. We might be at all-time highs. We are not. There's just no inefficiencies over here. Check the 3. Okay, just because we're not reacting off of anything, I can't take this trade. This is also a sweat pointer into an untapped FFVG, so you would never take this trade. Okay, we're not moving a whole lot. Kind of creating a pointer off of this 5-minute FFVG. So I guess you could enter here. Only issue is, where the fuck are you targeting? Oh shit. That's a fucking gap and a half. I'm gonna have to buy here. Let's check ES. Oh. Oh, we're not reacting. Wait. Yeah, we didn't fully close through this 5-minute FFVG. Oh, it's because it's not an FFVG, it's just an FVG. What do we do here? Let's check the 3. Come on, give me something. No, we're not reacting off anything, so we're just gonna go for 3, I guess. It's also a swap pointer, just noticed, so we're gonna can't go to the 1 minute, so we're gonna go to the 2, and we're gonna see if we can sweep this. We sweep it, fuck. Do we create inefficiency? No. Now we do. I'm out here, low key. Yes. No pointer against us. I don't know. We're just in PO3 and we. Is our bias shifted anywhere though? There's a pointer right here. I don't know, dude. This is confusing as shit. I don't know. We're firing towards another. I'm out of here. It's just PO3. Well, we're vol talk candle. Let's mark it open for you. Need to be paying more attention to like what time and what day it is. We're on a Wednesday today. Let's give fucking get rid of this. Give market open. It's time to fucking flip out. Okay, this is a pointer right here reacting off of this. So you would enter here probably. And if you go to ES, you got the same shit. So missed out on that one, I guess. It was a sweat pointer, so you would have entered more contracts right here. Yeah, full size in right there. But we're not in this, so it's just sad to see. And look at that fucking target too. So we lost because we were trading in the chop and we didn't wait for like a sweep right here. So we have to wait for the sweep before the pointer forms. Okay, I don't think we're reacting off of anything there. Oh, here's the ECR, efficient candle range. That shit is hard as fuck to see. Says it's at full opacity, but that shit is impossible to see. Whatever. Let's see if we're reacting off of some sort of IFFEG. We are in one, so we'll get in for 3. And then if we pass this one on the lower time frame, we will size in. Okay, I don't like this wishy-washy PO3 shit. God damn it, we're down 115 bucks and we're losing this trade. Pointer against us, reacting off these. We're so out. Yeah, damn it. Do we switch positions here? I think we do. I think we sell here. We sell for 3. This is a swept pointer, so we are going to... Dude, I hate this blue. That's even worse. Okay, head down to here. Oh. Well, that's sweet. So we can just sell 3 more, and then I I guess it would have been a better price here. Another pointer reacting. Another pointer. We reject. Do we create a pointer? We do. Are we reacting to anything though? I don't believe so. I don't think we are. Let's check Enki real quick. Or I mean ES. I might need to be talking louder, but it's almost 4 in the morning. Losing train of thought, dude. I'm mech'd out right now. 5-minute pointer into an FFVG. It's sweat pointer into an FFVG. We don't take anything here. We don't take anything here. Oh shit! Wait. Sweat pointer. That means it's good for a sell now. Sweat pointer into an. Oh, this one untapped. Never mind. Anyhow, we're just gonna keep this going. Another pointer. Dude, this is just PO3. Okay, so we would have trimmed out a little bit here. Let's get rid of 2. There we go. Fucking in the green, boys. Let's get it. Then we can keep looking. Do we create a pointer against us? We do not. Let's check ES. Oh, there's one right there, but I don't think that's reacting off anything. We'll go back to 5 real quick. You could say it's reacting off of this. Wait. We're in a sell. We're looking for a bullish one. What the fuck? Yeah, we didn't get anything, and we trimmed out. Let's keep going. Still gonna check for pointers against us to be safe and see if we could trim out and save some money anywhere. Is my thought process right now. Okay, not got anything on NQ to invalidate us. Let's check ES. Nothing. 3-minute. We got a 3-minute pointer against us. Kind of off of an FFVG, and it looks like a 2-minute off of an FFVG. So we're gonna hop over here and we're gonna trim out of 2 more. Okay, well this is looking like a re-entry. Opposite pointers. Opposite pointers. We're in an FFVG, so I'm not going to. The thing is, okay. We can take it. Is it a swept on here? Okay, it's a swept on here. We'll sell for 1 more. And we'll mark this line out. And we'll head to the 2-minute. And if it breaks past here, we can add 1 more contract in. Okay, we do. So we're gonna sell 1 more. Okay, that's nice. Right into some IFFVGs, we could see some rejection here. We're creating low time frame inefficiencies in the direction we want to go, which is, I mean, pretty much exactly what you want to be seeing. We slam through these IFFVGs. Okay, and then we reject off of something here. Let's check the 3. No pointer against us. No pointer against us. No pointer against us. Check the 6. We went through a lot of bullshit though, so I wouldn't hate a trim play here. Let's check ES real quick. Nothing. We got a low res sweep right here too. So if we get a pointer in the opposite direction, there's a high likelihood that we'll be able to just reverse our position and go upwards from there. Tapping in though, So we just need to be wary of a pointer being created in the opposite direction for now. Because we are in all this bullshit right now, I'm just gonna trim us out of, yeah, we just showed rejection and we're in an FFVG, so I'm gonna trim us out of 2 of these. Okay, let's check the 5. What are we doing here? Still looking good. Not leaving behind very many. Let's see if we leave behind an imbalance. We do not. Sell side sweep. Do we move lower? No, we do not. I don't see the pointer there, but there's a pointer indicator. Okay, we're still in this. Okay, showing rejection off of this 2-minute FFVG. I think I trim us out of 1 right here. Buy. Show a little rejection. There we go. 3-minute, nothing. 4-minute, nothing. 5-minute, nothing. 6-minute. Nothing. I think we already checked the 2. Yeah, let's hop on to ES. Nothing. Okay, yeah. So here we have a 4-minute pointer reacting. That is the only pointer across both equities. It is just like perfectly reacting to like some short right here. So I think I close here. I don't know if a 4-minute pointer on ES is enough to validate a trade out of here, especially since I don't think ES is reacting to. I don't think ES is reacting to anything. Like ES technically didn't. It's reacting to this 4-minute IFFVG, but it didn't reach this 4-minute FFVG. This is also an untapped, by the way. So I guess I'd have to reach it. Wait, let me see what the untap looks like on, or if it even exists. This is not an untapped. It has been tapped. It's a slutty little FFVG. It's been tapped very many times. This one's untapped though. Wait. Never mind. Also tapped. Not to say it holds no power, but I just don't think. Maybe on ES it'll come down to this untapped right here. Oh, technically it already did, so never mind. Let's go back to NQ. Jeez, I'm the slowest backtester ever. Sorry, guys. It's fucking noon right now. Yeah, we don't even. It's 6:30. Okay, so we do have a pointer reacting to these FFVGs, I believe. So, I think I take the buy here. Let's check ES real quick. We have the same shit, so, yeah. I mean, it's not a 5-minute pointer. Or a 4. But it is a 3. No 2 either. Check 6. Nothing. Switch to ES. Nothing. 3-minute. Can't do the 1. That's fine. So I think we enter for 3 contracts here just because there's not a whole lot. Oh my gosh, and it's technically the tiniest sweat pointer ever. So yeah, we'll buy. We'll draw our little line. Go to the 2. We do break, so we're just gonna buy in for, you know, full contract size. Leaving behind lower time frame inefficiencies. Okay, we just got fucking raped. Good thing I'm up $900. It didn't form a pointer. What the fuck did we tap into though? Did I miss something? I mean, we created this IFFG. I mean, we were just in a mess on ES. So yeah, I guess we were reacting. Let's see if we created a pointer though. Close on the 3 minute on NQ. I mean, technically nothing is invalidating this trade, so I mean, we can click one more candle. Yeah. So if we created a lower time frame inefficiency or whatever, or an inefficiency on the 2 minute time frame right here, I would have definitely trimmed out at least 3 of those contracts. But because we filled that immediately, I'm just gonna keep going. Okay. I don't know, we're just chippy choppy a little bit. I'm not loving it, so I think I just get out of 3 here. This isn't mech, this is discretion. We create a pointer to the downside off of, let's see, nothing. I don't know, a pointer is a pointer. That's just discretion. Oh shit, it might not even have been a pointer. Here we have a pointer, it's not reacting to anything though. So this is just gonna be chop or some shit. We tap, these are IFFEGs. Let's get the untaps going. Here's, oh, I'm pointing on my screen. Here's the untaps we're looking for. Bang. Create an inefficiency. Oh, no, we didn't, I don't think. 3 minute pointer. Not reacting off of shit, unfortunately. So it's not really even a pointer. Oh, maybe it was. Maybe it was. Maybe ES had some. Okay, what the fuck? ES has a pointer. It's reacting off of nothing though. What the hell? We have this. We have this. No, let's do the other line. Oh. Purple. Is that a pointer? It's not a pointer though. Shit, did that not even load? That's not a pointer, is it? No, that's just a doji candle. I'm probably gonna cut through this shit. I'm just like hyper analyzing stuff. Okay. I mean, can you count this? Can you count this pointer reacting to this FFEG? I don't think so. Whatever, regardless, some sort of macro here. That we're not going to be missing, or that we are going to be missing out on, unfortunately. Okay, we do create a pointer rejecting off this. I think we just buy here. I mean, it's not a sweat pointer. That was on the 3 minute time frame, so I take back. We're just going to buy here. I'm going to go look, see if there's anything else validating this. We have a 3 minute as well as the 5 minute. Nothing on the 6. Let's check ES. Nothing on the 6. I guess nothing on the 5. Nothing on the 4. We have a 3 though. Close to it too. 3, but it's not really reacting off of anything that I can see. Yeah. But on NQ, it is. It's essentially no, it's not untapped. 3 minute. Not even a swept pointer, but we're still only in for 3 just because it's SMT. I'm gonna hop on a lower time. Ooh. Pointer against us. I can't imagine this is reacting off of fucking anything though. It's also a 3 minute, or I mean a 2 minute. Fuck it. Keep going, princess. We have another pointer. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, so we hit this FFVG, so I'm just gonna trim out of one of these. Bang. A little bit of nothingness. Okay, a little bit of rejectionness. Do we create any load time frame inefficiencies or pointers? We do create a 3 minute pointer. We are in an IFFVG range, or no, we're in an FFVG range. How is it not IF? Whatever. We're in an FFVG range with a pointer against us. I'm just getting out of the whole thing, to be honest with you. Who knows? This could rip. It didn't go to any untaps quite yet, so. PO3. Okay, we did sweep a little bit though. We swept the PO3 range, created a pointer. We're not reacting off of anything. We just created that imbalance right there. The biggest swept pointer of your life. Yeah, I will not be trading that. A little bit of a self-made and oh no, that was trading view glitch. Create an imbalance, tap into another imbalance. Okay, let's see if we created a pointer. We created a 3 minute pointer after tapping into this 5 minute FFVG right here. Thing is, we didn't get a high res sweep, we got a low res sweep. What does that even, what the fuck? I just pulled that out of my ass. 3 minute as well, 2 minute as well. ES is looking chill. My only issues were kind of in PO3 range, so maybe we only, oh, and it's swept a little bit. Barely though. Also, there's no 5 minute. I think I'm only getting for 2. I know that's kind of, doesn't really make a difference. Head on to a lower time frame. See if we take out this. We do. So we'll get in for 2 more. Okay, we're down. Where's our targets? All the way up there? There's no way. Give me on the 5. Okay, yeah, smaller target right here. Let's check ES. What are we? Hopefully we're not getting slammed in ES. Nope. Look pretty okay here. Check the 3. Yeah, we're not looking too bad. Creating some lower time frame inefficiencies on our way out of that zone. So we're gonna hold this. What the hell? Okay, this is just PO3. We should be out of here because it was PO3. Live trading, I'm so out of that. Let's see on 2 minute. Yep, create a pointer against us. Unfortunate. Yeah, I think our bias is completely invalidated. I think we're just in the fucking bullshit of the day, to be honest with you. Yeah. I think I always trade way too late, and then this is like the break. Okay. So we lost $400 on that last trade, but we're up $1,600 on the day, and now I'm gonna go and watch Andrew's video, and I'll compare. Okay, guys, watching through the video, we both caught this short right here, which is huge. That was pretty fire. I didn't get a re-entry for this short, but he did. he said all these continuation pointers were valid to take through these lows. But to be honest, I don't really, that's a foreign concept to me. I checked and I could not find anything that we were reacting to in terms of FFVG, so I didn't know why these pointers were being validated or what they were validating, which is why I didn't take it while I was backtesting. But so there's some like IFVGs here, and I was looking through and I couldn't find it. Like this one, do we react to? Let's get a square going in here so we can actually kind of visualize this. Yeah, I guess we do create a pointer off there, right here. Let's see if there's anything else we're missing. Oh yeah, right here. Here's a 2-minute one. I'm drawing them because, like, obviously the candles have already passed, so they're not here anymore. We tap into this one and then create our multitude of pointers on every time frame. He said if you miss this one, you suck, so I'm pretty heartbroken right now, but it's fine. You live and you learn. So yeah, all these pointers right here, continuation pointers, I guess, through this low, being validated by this FFVG that we tapped into. And given the trend that we already have, I know that's not like mech to have like a daily bias, but this would be a good short or something. I guess since we didn't get any pointers off of untaps against us, our bias was still set, and so the short was still like a strong trade to take. So I guess that's what I missed out on here. But yeah, a lot of learning to be done. All right, there was more trades. I just skipped over them. I was only like halfway through the video when I started recording again and started yapping. So here we have another move to the upside that he took. It was towards EQ range, and he said he needs to test EQ range. Whatever. He said he took half contract size here. I low-key don't know why. I probably should go back and test, but as you can see here, around 13.15, I entered for 3 contracts. Obviously, they did pretty bomb because I also managed to take this long on this day. Obviously, there's pointers here. You're reacting to something, and there's these FFVGs to target. This untapped FFVG right here is pretty huge. So I think that's where I targeted. I also did half contract size, so I was doing a 3-6 split. So I also entered for 3, so I'm assuming there's something there, but that's a good execution by me. Pretty textbook. I mean, he also took the trade, so that's pretty cool to see. All right, this is not textbook. Also, I fixed the quality, so this shit isn't gonna be fucking looking retarded anymore. I'll just zoom in on current price to prove it to you guys. We're HD now, bitches. All right. Anyways, yeah. So I said it was perfectly executed by me. This little long we had, but that was not correct because this is a swept pointer. And so when I entered for 3 contracts, I should have waited for this to get validated, and then I should have entered for my full size, and then I would have banked for way more money on this side. I already made a ton of money, but I probably would have completely canceled out the 2 retard trades I made after that and been super profitable. So I just had to come in here. It's 5 a.m. and I'm still fucking back testing out here. I just wanted more than you fuckers. Cry about it. I don't know. Right now he's talking about how you make smart decisions based on like what your account's looking like and what you're doing, like if you have a buffer, if you're on XFA, or if you're on a eval. So it's very important to know your context. I agree with that. Regardless, he is out at this point and I am not. I actually end up trading 2 more times, which I think is important to note, and obviously this just fucked me in the ass. Like I just lost $400 here. So he notices like the volume spike and then it goes down, and so I guess the volume isn't necessarily going down. Like we can't prove that unless we have a volume indicator, but people aren't in agreement. Like we're not moving at all, and if I were just to be able to catch like onto this PO3 earlier, I would have saved myself $400. So keep in mind what time it is, because obviously we get less volatile throughout the day. Like New York Open has the most contract exchanges, so that's when you're going to see the most movement. Keep that in mind. Yeah, a lot of lessons learned. This is, I think, a really good way of studying. Highly recommend.